Welcome to your CuZn Undersink Water Filter Installation Guide. In just a few minutes, we'll show you how to install your UC-Series system with basic tools, no plumber required. Your CuZn UC-Series system includes one UC-Series filter, UC-100, UC-150, or UC-200, all identical installation. 3/8-inch braided stainless steel inlet hose. This system is for cold, city-treated water only, not well water or hot lines. Before starting, turn off the cold water shutoff valve under your sink. Open the faucet to verify no water is flowing. Place a towel under the valve to catch any drips. Use an adjustable wrench to disconnect the existing cold water line from the shutoff valve. Locate the outlet port on the top of your CuZn filter. It has this smooth, rounded cap. Reconnect the cold water line from your faucet to this outlet port. Hand tighten first, then give it an additional 1/2 turn with a wrench. For plastic tubing, hand tighten, then turn 1 full turn with a wrench. Don't over-tighten. A solid seal doesn't need brute force. Now connect the bottom port, the inlet, using the braided stainless hose. Hook it up between the cold water shutoff valve and the bottom of the filter. Important: mount the unit vertically. Laying it sideways will reduce performance. Once everything is connected, slowly reopen the cold water valve 1/4 turn at a time. Check all connections for leaks. If a leak is found, shut off the water and tighten the connection slightly. Repeat if needed. Turn on your cold faucet and let it run for 5 minutes. The water may come out black at first. That's just carbon dust from the new filter. Let it run clear, then you're good to go. You may see cloudiness or bubbles in the water at first. This is just trapped air and will dissipate naturally. If your water pressure is low, ensure the cold water valve is fully open. Run hot and cold water to clear airlocks. Check the faucet aerator for debris. Your filter lifespan depends on the model. UC-100, good for about a year. UC-150, up to 2 years. UC-200, can last 5 years. If your home has galvanized plumbing or is in an area with high sediment, we recommend a sediment pre-filter. Contact APEC Water for assistance. Questions? Need help? Check out our manual or visit our website for more info. We're here to help you get the most from your CuZn system.